guys, welcome back to another vlog. And for today's vlog, it's all about last week of being grade 9. Last week of school, guys. Just gonna vlog at school with my friends. It's currently Monday and it's 6 a.m. and I'm going to school. Still waiting for my mom and my brother. See you in school, guys. Ali, what can you say for the last week of school, of being grade 9?
It's really cool. Everyone's cool. And since I'm a transferee, this has been a wonderful experience. And subscribe to the channel.
Kudo. Unsa mong maingon para kay Rod?
Rod is my brother.
Unsa mong maingon?
Unsay mong maingon sa Lasal?
LeBron James.
Thank you. Oh. Doubles in the chat.
What's your last words?
My name is
Last week
P2.
of school.
This is the last week of school. We shall. Yeah.
Okay.
Week of school, what can you say?
Sad. Sir, I will miss you, sir.
What can you say? It's the last week of school. Finally.
Ako, Junaid. Thank you. Ala, usan eh. Usan eh. Guys, maaari ako mga classmate ugawan. Sumuta mo ako ni post ron, ako ni post. Sumuta mo ni sir. Vlog po siya, guys.
Bro, shut the fuck up.
Guys, last week of school, guys. Summer. Hindi na sila magkita karong summer. Umilok na siya doon. Mugo.
Nash. Unsay may kasulti 1 week na no.
Parts of me were made by you.
Isko. Unsay may kasulti 1 week na lang. Salamat. Unsay may kasulti 1 week na lang.
Ha?
Unsay may kasulti 1 week na lang. Salamat. Dapat sad ha para dagdag views mo. Dagdag views para dagdag.
Mingaon ko ninyang tanan kay dili na everyday ba mangkita. The memories will slowly fade away. That's why i-vlog na to para dumduman.
Buto.
Oh my God, nilak na siya, guys. You have mic. Hello. Day 1 pa lang, guys. Day 1 of last week of school. So guys, next year, mag-grade 10 kami. You bitch!
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. This is not my vlog. It's our vlog.
Yes, it's my vlog. Weirdos. Guys, weird kay sila. They're so weird. Bye-bye, Kim. Bye-bye, Kim. Wala ko ilabot niya. I don't care. Look guys, nasa labubo. Labubo ba din na? Labubo in my world. Hey, what do we say? Oh my gosh, squeeze his face. Ako na yung post. Guys, lunchtime na guys. We'll be eating with UL. Hi guys. I'm with UL and
Makaon pa today guys. Chicken masala kami.
Aesthetic eh, guys.
My name is Franica.
Eh.
Hi guys, I am Ralph Raven.
Grabe ko po yung name.
Hi, my name is Liana Portugal. I am 15 years old.
Love you guys.
Okay, guys, we're gonna eat some.
Hi vlog.
Bugo, bigo. Hello. Now, yun din answer na doon. Comment down below. Unsa yung mga question. Guys, kaya na board min doon sa likod. Comment down below unsa yung gusto. Ay, dili ko. English mo? Sila adjust na ako nga ni. Collab man ni. Collab to guys, collab. Sisira mo na eh.
This is collab with...
Busasa. Kasi nakitaan. Yan ako joke. May joke ako. Tungkol sa airport.
Ano meron sir?
Kaso naiiyak ko eh. Naiiyak. Run sa airport, run! May, ano, ewan ko ano to. Kala ko sa ako kikiligin. Sa classmate ko pala. Oh! Ayun oh. Ano ang tawag sa tae na D-sure? D-sure. Ano ang tawag sa tae na D-sure? Unpredictable. NANI? Bro, unpredictable. Ay, unpredictable. Hi guys. Vlog takeover ni og karon. Og si Sir guys, guwapa kay si Sir guwapa. Iyabon ako ni ay Q&A. Ako sa mga gusto nimo sa boy.
The boy?
Boy.
Good boy.
Bro, what the fuck?
Gusto ko ano man. Ano nga, ang angle please? Ang angle.
Sorry. Dako nimo sa imong gusto.
Bebe good. Gusto niyo ko mag-doctor.
Okay, you want to be a doctor? Why?
Gusto ko makita good.
Good boy.
Joke lang.
Bro, you're trying to... Uyab na sa crush niya? Oh guys, uyab ang crush niya. Uyab sa... Basta...
You
Sir, pwede malibang. Lo, kalibang na. Unahon ang orientation, malag kalibang na ko. Okay? Unahon na lang akong orientation, balag kalibangon kay ko yaw. Kalibangon kay ko guys sa sunahon ng orientation. Kapoy na kaayo, sakit na yung untiyan. Gitubol man ko. O karon guys, magkuha na tayo ng ano. Dapat front kami roy. Uli, kapit na hulog. O karon guys, magkalibang na ako pero hindi ako pinayagan. Hi guys, live ay vlog takeover ito. Anong gusto niyo malaman about kay Iya? gusto niyo malaman sino ang crush nila, Aniya? Or sa akin, ang crush ko man kay Nas. Uy, comment down below kung gusto niyo malaman anong mga kalalaman.
Ay, what's your name?
My name is Cam Grace R. Pareha. Ay, sorry. My name is Cam Grace R. Pareha.
My name is...
Call me Psyker. Or, but, Iza only, ay. Ang pwede na matawag na ko baby kasi Iza. Ang pwede na matawag na ko love, baby, my
DGAF. I don't give a fuck. Period.
my boy, my pretty boy.
Good.
What the fuck? Isa lang. Ali, ano masasabi mo sa vlog namin? Ano masasabi mo sa vlog namin? Thank you for that wonderful. thank you. Thank you for that wonderful words that we're gonna appreciate it. O karon, kapoy na kayo. Natawa kong itsura. Ipakita ko itsura dire. Kay kapoy na ko. Kalibangon na kayo ko, guys. Ilanin ako itsura kay kapoy. Kalibangon na kaayo ko. Sana ako malibang pero di ko palibangon. Kapoy kini na vlog. Vlog take over. Mag-group na may bye-bye. Peace out. Palong bugo ay blessed and love. Alak.
360, 360. Okay na guys. Wala na promotion. Bye-bye.
Bye guys.
Comment down below your rating. Comment down below. Vlog takeover. Guys, what? Today is the second to the last period of class, guys.
Hi guys.
ASMR mukbang. Guys, day 1 over. We're eating ice cream at my house.
If upo ka, mag-shampoo pa ka. Kanang, if upo ka ba, like, mag-shampoo pa ka, or like, kanang soap sa body ko, 1 hour ka.
Shampoo, let's shampoo our hair.
Imagine, nagdigo ka, tapos, 1 hour ka.
Walay bubbles ba? Slide kayo.
Sabi no, shiny kayo ng kanto.
Yan lang, naiuban bowl ba na? Saan ko?
For today's video, I'm going to be Doña Victorina.
Oh my God, kay maldita po siya. Go the emote.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So shutdown kay Aidan. Ay shout out. Hello.
Ilolo. Podcast number
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 So,
2.
number-
Day 2 man ron, day 2.
Oh, day 2. Bugo, 400, 350 man eh. Selling this one for 350. Ang kulang na lang ni. Sige to.
Sticker.
Sticker. Pwede niya siya diaryo. Gwapo na akong wallpaper. Uy!
Ano? Ay, wala.
Ano mo sa ibutang? Oh,
Ang lubot, ang lubot.
ang lubot.
Uy, prayer no,
Prayer,
prayer.
So guys, today mamprank ko. 1, 2, 3, go! You got prank! Ikaw ang na-prank! Ako si Mika Sulti na, ikaw ang na-prank.
Fuck you, bitch.
Kasulti, hapit na. Second day na ako. Ay, hapit na ang kwan.
Second day last week.
Utang na. Bro, you're gonna get cancelled.
Bro, be appropriate, bro. One. I will miss the mga Yokogmentos, be. I will miss the... Nakaibol.
Fuck up, ikaw mo ng mga Juventus. Buo ka, feeling kayo. Vlog. Buy it, 500 only. Go you,
Introduce ka sa akong vlog.
My name is Bo Jagger, but you can call me Bo. I'm going to the New Jersey soon.
Ano?
Goodbye
New
everybody
Jersey.
here.
Dito, bro. Bugo ako, bro.
Bro, my eyes are sick.
Today is day 4 of the last week of school. Thumbnail. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So I'm here with a guest. Her name is Iya. Uy, may picture, no? 3, 2, 1, action.
Oh my god, the lighting!
Guys, today is
Final day! Go! Bye! See you next year!
Yulin.
Tayo na, ganda ng lighting!
Ni Sheesh. Clear skin.
Guys, last day of school.
Punta sir, unsa maingon niya? Sir! Unsa maingon mo sa last day of school? Yes! Wala na gid mo. Ala, kami ba wala guys? Grabe ka.
No more podcast, Kim. No more podcast.
Podcast 4!
Bye, guys. Bye, everyone. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone.
Guys! Good morning niya guys!
Hi, sir.
Vlog takeover number 3! We're gonna ask someone or everybody here in our class na
What's your type?
yeah, what's their type?
Kudo.
Okay guys, we're going to ask someone. So, Chinit. Ah? Yes! Apay na yung honey. So, Chinit.
Moreno.
Or si? Si? Si Jet!
Chinito.
Moreno tsaka Chinit. Yeah! Uy, kap!
Hala, ilak si Jassy! Bye-bye, Sir JC.
Hi guys! It's our last day of school year. Of this school year, grade 9. Sa'yo na kayo.
Guys, mag-grade 10 na me. Mag-college me, guys.
Tuguan na guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye. See you in the future.